Hello.
Hi!
What's up?
Nothing much, just doing some Christmas wrapping.
What did you buy?
Well, a bunch of junk that no one's really gonna like.
Why is that?
I'm not a very good Christmas buyer.
What about your wrapping? How's that?
Oh, it's
Give me
wonderful.
a big smile.
You're very hateful.
I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get in the Christmas spirit. Trying to get out the Halloween spirit.
Well, why don't we sing a Christmas song?
How about you start it out?
Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all. Why aren't you singing with me?
I'm learning
Learning what?
the song.
You don't know that song?
I'm not from here.
What song do you know?
I'm from Kentucky.
Oh,
Explains a lot.
yeah, kinda.
So,
Well, what Christmas song do you like?
we wish y'all a Merry Christmas.
We wish y'all a Merry Christmas. We wish y'all a Merry Christmas. We wish y'all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay. What about Feliz Navidad?
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
Prospero año y felicidad.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas.